that WAEC result is out or about to be out, depending on the year you wrote. You can check your result without going to a cyber cafe, without consulting anybody, without paying any money. And that is what we are going to share with you here in this very video. How you can check your WAEC result on your own without visiting anybody. This is how you can check your result in 2025. To check your WAEC result for 2025 examination, the method is simple and very straightforward. So let's look at it. To check your result, like you can see, is not difficult. To check your WAEC result for the 2025 examination, there are two methods. What did I say? Two methods. You can either use online portal or the SMS method, just like in JAMB, right? Just like in JAMB. JAMB endorses use of SMS and use of online method. That is the same way you can do it for your WAEC. The official WAEC website is for checking of results is www.waecdirect.org. www.waecdirect.org. If you don't know, if you want me to send this website, the link, specific link to you, just let me know in the comment section so that we can share it with you. But that is only for those that have joined our YouTube channel and have also subscribed, right? So the link, you can see it on the screen. You can see it on the screen, www.waecdirect.org. Once you go to your browser and type it, for online checking, you will need, just type it. Once you type it, you will see this portal. This very portal will open for you. But we'll come to the portal later on. Okay, so quickly go ahead to your browser. When I mean browser, I mean your Chrome. The Chrome on your phone or the Firefox on your phone, any browser, any app in your phone you use for browsing, right? So you just click on this link for online checking. You will need 10-digit WAEC examination number. Of course, as a WAEC candidate, you have your WAEC reg number. That particular reg number using your WAEC is very important. Then the exam year, that is, you need to know the year you wrote the exam. For some of you, maybe you want to recheck. For those of you that wrote 2023, 2025, 2026, depending on the year you are watching this video, 1990, anyone, all of them are on the website. Okay, so your exam year, whether it is school exam, if it is school exam you wrote in SS3, you wrote in a normal school, you choose May, June, or if you wrote a WAEC GC also, you can choose November, December, and your EPIN. Your EPIN, that is why for WAEC you need what is called WAEC card or your WAEC scratch card. If you wrote in your school, you will know that they shared one card to you, one WAEC card to you that contain your passport, your exam number, your PIN and all the rest. If you have not gotten it, return to where you wrote your WAEC, demand for it, right? They may collect money from you or some may give it free. Your EPIN and serial number. Inside that card, you will get your exam PIN, your exam number, your passport, and your serial number from the scratch card. It is that you will now use. Look at what you will do. Once you get it, you will come here. I've told you, once you click on that website, it will bring you here. You will see this space here for examination number. You put your exam number. You will see this space for exam year. You click on it and scroll down to 2025. If you are checking for 2025 or 2026 or 2027 or 2024, depending on the year you are watching this video and you are checking for. Then you select type of exam, May, June, for if you wrote in the school. Then you now input your card serial number. That's your WAEC scratch card that you can buy it. You can buy it, or you can also it was given to you, your WAEC card. If you still have it or you buy, if you don't know what to do, you can ask me. If you want us to help you to check your WAEC result, you can also ask us in the comment section. So you put your WAEC serial number. All of those things are in the card. Then you put your WAEC PIN. Do you understand? Your WAEC PIN. All of them are in that card. Once you click on these things, you click on submit. Remember, your exam number here, your year of exam, which can be the particular year you wrote the exam, your type of exam, just click on it. If you wrote GCE or if you wrote normal school exam, you click on it. You now click card serial number, your serial number, you click on it. Then you put your PIN. Once you put your PIN, click on submit. When you click on submit, look at it again. Just visit this website on the screen, www.waecdirect.org, and input your 10-digit WAEC examination number. Select the examination, that is 2025, or as the case may be. Choose the appropriate exam type, e.g. May, June for school candidate. School candidate. If you wrote in a school, that is not GCE, normal WAEC, you select school candidate. If you wrote private candidate, that is as GCE, November, December, you type it, then enter your PIN and your serial number. I've told you that the PIN and serial number is on your exam card, that scratch card. You will need to enter the PIN and serial number found in your WAEC scratch card or e-PIN. Submit and view. Once you submit, you will view, then you can download it or screenshot it. You can download it or screenshot it. Later, you can go to a cyber cafe to print it out if you need it. Of course, you will need it. Once the original result is out, you can now return to the school where you wrote your exam to collect your original result. Do you understand? This is just simple. This interface, and this is the kind of result you will get. Claim it. I want you to come under the comment and type I claim it. You make A1. Or don't you like this result? Say type I claim it or type I claim it. All of you, the effort you put in this exam will not be in vain. Say amen or say amen. SMS method. If you also want to check it through SMS, purchase a WAEC scratch card. Just buy a WAEC scratch card. Buy a WAEC scratch card or the one they gave you, that card, that normal card that they shared to you after your WAEC. You can buy it. If you don't have it, you can go to a bank and buy it, or a WAEC office. Then compose an email, an SMS. You open your phone SMS, the normal way you send message in your phone, and type WAEC exam. You type WAEC, exam number, PIN, exam year, and send. Look at the way it will be. For example, if your exam number is this and your PIN is this, and you search for the exam in 2025, look at what you write. You will type WAEC, your exam number, your WAEC PIN, then hashtag 2025. I will still do a separate video on this. Then you now send the SMS to 32327. 32327. Receive your result. They will now send it to you in your phone. Of course, you will need to have some money in your balance, because they will charge you, I think, 50 naira or so. I will still do a video on this very soon, but right now these are the steps. You got a question, ask me. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe right now. Any question you have, feel free to ask. If you want me to send you the link, or you want us to help you to check, or you are wondering whether the result is out or not, feel free to ask us right now.